there, my name is Sarika Chawla. In today's video, we are going to talk about women's bra, which is a very important element in any women's wardrobe. I hope you agree. But do you know that 80% of women wear wrong size bra? It has been proven by researchers. You can explore that. But trust me, women's bra is one such outfit in every woman's wardrobe which makes or breaks the image. And myself, Sarika Chawla, an image consultant, never want anybody to perform in a way wherein they break the image. I want all of us to be an image maker, and for that, our today's topic would be on women's bra, wherein I will be training you on different types of bra available in the market. And then we will be talking about how you should choose your outfit. According to that, how you should choose your bra type, what all kinds of bras are available in the market, what colors are available, what colors are good to be worn under what outfits. So all that depends upon different types of bras available, different types of functionality, different types of expectations that you have from your bra. Trust me, this video will help you to understand the types of bras available in the market. Here we go. Since you can see that there are no seams in it, it gives a very smooth finish to your outfits. When I say smooth finish to your outfits, you always expect that to be given to your body hugging tops or dresses, wherein you want a smooth finish. You don't want any lines to be visible there. And that's where the t-shirt bra helps you. It goes very well with satin fabric, anything which is pliable. I would say pliable is something falling fabric as we look at. So those fabrics, when you wear a t-shirt bra or a seamless bra under that, it works very well. So my suggestion to everybody, because we all wear t-shirts or the body hugging dresses, this t-shirt bra is a good choice. And you can also see in this dress wherein if you see, the dress is tight till the waist and then there is a fall below. So when we talk about such kinds of dresses, we always want something without seams here. You don't want an extra line to be visible here. So when there is no line here, it gives a very smooth finish to your outfit and you are good to go. And that's why I say it is a must have. But yes, when you are wearing some body hugging dresses or t-shirts, then t-shirt bra is a must bra in your wardrobe. Now let's talk about another type of bra which we call as a plung bra. Plung bra is good to be worn under the dresses which have deep V necks. Like if I show you a dress over my dummy, here we have a V neck, but it is not that deep. When we talk about a deep V, it goes even here. You know, it crosses till your breast. So when we wear such bras with the deep V-neck dresses, it works very well. If you see, it has a very low cut here. It has a very low cut, and even the center bore, if you look at, that comes very small. So that helps, you know, that takes your dress as a complete outfit without showing your bra outside your dress. So it works very well for the dresses which have deep V-neck cuts. So a good choice for those who really love to wear deep V-neck dresses, as I do. Thank you. So now let's talk about a sports bra, good for women who are already in sports, aerobics, running, walking, jogging, yoga, or anything else that you love doing, I would say. I'm a fitness freak and I love to have a sports bra in my wardrobe, and similarly, if you are a fitness freak, I'm sure you would like to go for a sports bra. Sports bra comes in 3 different intensities. When we talk about sports bra, it comes with low intensity, medium intensity and a high intensity bra. See, when I say low intensity, I hope you understand it is good for normal walk, or it is something that you are doing yoga, which is okay for a low intensity bra. But when we talk about a medium intensity is good for when you are doing aerobics, a little more of, you know, rigorous exercise. But when it is more of jumping, running, jogging, When it is too fast, then low or medium intensity doesn't work. Then you definitely have to go for a high intensity bra. So now I tell you, this is how the sports bra look, wherein the intensity, as I said, low, medium or high, is coming from the band of it, or maybe the grip of the straps over here. So it comes in different combinations of bands and variations are there. Now if I show you, it is a sports bra which is an open, front open bra. So it comes as a front open also, and it comes as, there is no opening to it. It's a slip-on kind of a bra which you wore it from the top of your body, and then you simply pull it down. So when I say it is a front open bra, it is good for females who have problems at the backache, when they cannot take their hands towards the back and they really want something which is a front open. So it helps to them. Now I tell you one feature which is available in the sports bra, which comes in many other bras as well. If you look at, it has a razor back. Razor back is something wherein the bands hover around the collarbone and it does not come on the shoulders. So this feature helps many women to wear this bra with the halter neck tops also. So trust me, it is again a very good choice to be kept in a wardrobe if you are a fitness freak and you love doing jogging, yoga, aerobics or anything in your routine. And yes, here I would say my dummy is representing a tracksuit which works well for a sports bra. Alright, so when we are talking about bras, how can I forget my young cute girls who love to have bralettes in their wardrobe. Wardrobe is incomplete without a bralette, I would say, because it is a fashion statement. For many of the girls who love to wear bralettes, here is one style which I am showing you. Before I talk about the fashion, yes, I would say bralettes are non-wired, bralettes are non-padded, bralettes are almost similar like a crop top. And that is the reason it makes it capable of wearing under a denim jacket. When you wear a bralette along with a denim jacket, then of course you are making a style statement. And I'm sure many of you are already doing it, and those who are not can try. So let's talk about bandau. Bandau is a very famous style that looks amazing. And it's a slip-on bra. It has no straps. It has only a band above and a band below, from where it makes a complete grip. As I said, people wear it for a fashion statement like bralette. Bandaus also can be worn under sheer tops. So with the sheer tops, with a bandau, you can create variations in colors, you can create variations in styles, and that's where bandau really helps you. Also, if I show you a dress here wherein there is a net above, you really do not want anything to be visible here. No straps, you don't want them to be visible here because that looks very odd. So what you can do is you can go for bandau as an option, and we have one more option which I will show you next. But yes, bandau works very well for such tops and also for the tops which are in sheer fabric, which gives you a style statement. Okay, so as I said, apart from bandau, something that can be worn with the dresses which are having net at the top, wherein you do not want your straps to be visible here. Sometimes people even go for backless dresses when there is net throughout here, and then they do not want any strap also to be visible, band also to be visible, and that's the reason we have something, a very good option, wherein we are talking about the straps as a transparent straps. Also, even the band also coming as a transparent band. So both these options helps you to go very freely with the dresses which have net at the top or at the back, wherein you can with free mind roam around as you are not having fear of something getting visible. There are bras which comes without straps also, but sometimes females have that kind of a problem. No, I really need a strap which gives me a better comfort. It's a psychological effect, I would say. Sometimes we don't feel very comfortable when the strap is not there. So those who can go for a strapless, I would say that you can remove these straps also. But sometimes if you think that no, I cannot go for a strapless, then you can add these straps and can go for it. And since it is made in such invisible straps, so this won't be visible under your dress. So that's how you go about it. People do often ask what is the right age when one should start wearing a bra. So I would say that for girls, 8 years, 10 years is the right age when they should start wearing it. And due to hormonal changes, it starts reflecting as well. So it depends on the hormonal changes. Some girls get mature even faster. So 8 is the right age. Otherwise 10 for sure is the right age to start wearing a bra. So when we start wearing a bra, there is a beginner's bra that comes in the market, which girls really opt for, and I would say can opt for, because that is something which is available in a very soft fabric, which they are not very, sometimes when you start with something, you're not very comfortable with that. You really want to come in the comfort zone first. So this is something which comes in very softer fabric, a hosiery kind of a fabric, and also there are no hooks at the back. When there are no hooks at the back, it is acting as a slip-on bra only, which is girls wear as a top if they are wearing. So it comes also one additional feature it comes with a pocket here. It comes with a pocket here wherein you can insert the cookies. Cookies are some pads which you can insert inside your bra that helps you to avoid getting your nipples to be looking outside, and for that reason we say that cookies can be added in many other bras available in the market. So people who really want to have a better coverage, then they can also look for the pockets inside it, and that really helps. Now let's talk about a demi bra. Demi means half. When we say half, so that means something which is half in cup size. When we say half in cup size, you will see that demi cup is half cup. It does not give a full coverage to your breast. It covers your breast just above the nipples. So basically, demi bra is good for those who love to wear deep necks. So when you are wearing a deep neck, you don't want your bra to be, coming out and visible to people. And that's the reason you always want to have a cup which just covers the nipples and can give you a better look. So demi bra, sometimes people get confused, a demi bra or a plug bra, because plug bra is also a low cut bra. But let me tell you the difference here. Plug bra is basically for deep V-neck dresses because the cup size is cut throughout. But here, when you look at a demi bra, the cup size is cut in this horizontal way, not that vertical way. So that's the difference between a plug and the demi bra. And guys, do let me know if you want me to cover more in my videos. This is just to start with. We have a lot more in the market, like convertible bras, silicone bras. Convertible bras, if I give you a heads up, convertible bras comes with variety of options in terms of straps. You can put them like this, you can make a cross at the back, you can remove them. So convertible bras, as the name says, that gives you the options for converting your straps into different ways, and that benefits you when you are wearing a dress, which helps you to not that straps coming out or visible to people, and that's why convertible bras are also a good option. We also talk about silicone bras. Silicone bras are the silicone cups which has some adhesive on it, which you simply paste it, and that helps you to go with the deep neck dresses, or anytime you want only the breast to be covered, you don't want any sort of straps, you don't want any sort of band, nothing. So silicone bras are also good. So there are a lot more in the market available. We can cover up those as well. Do let me know if you want me to cover more, and if you like my video, please like it. Do subscribe my channel, and I would love to share more knowledge. As I said, that I do not want to be an image breaker, I want you to be an image maker, and hope you trust that though this is the very first layer of the garment that sticks to our body, and from here itself the image breaks, or you can make it, and I'm sure you would like to make it. So myself, Sarika Chawla, will come up with more videos on women's bra, how to care, how to maintain, how to fold them, how to go for shopping, what colors you should select, what all features you should look in. So we will cover more and more. Do let me know if you want me to cover more, anything else that you want me to listen from me. I would be happily assisting you. Thank you so much. Stay connected. Bye bye.